Give spirit of the bird dragon. Spear Versier take. That's what you add to net. Then you could give it to them. Spirit of the bird. Then you can give all my baby mamas a undight. And that's Kid Lars' ultimate power. Spirit of the bird. But his bird's ugly. It's a dove. My bird's a blue jay. Ha ha ha. And how long do birds live? 10,000 years. Freaking amazing, dude. This is knowledge to your ever natural next potential knowledge. I've been a boy genius for a kid. I could figure things out. Now they have to fuckboy my power, but when they fuckboy their power, they fuckboy their own because they gave me the bird.